Do you use heat in your manufacturing process? Are you looking for a way to reduce cycle time or lower defect rates? Do you need to develop leaner manufacturing techniques or automated process control? Or are you simply being challenged to do more with less? To stay competitive in today's marketplace, production efficiency and cost effectiveness are essential. Among the available sources of heat for manufacturing processes, induction is an increasingly attractive option. Flame heating techniques produce a hot working environment with poor temperature control and require a high level of operator skill. Traditional oven heating systems require a huge investment in valuable floor space and must be continuously operated to avoid long startup delays. Resistance heating suffers from poor repeatability and unreliable contact resistance. Induction heating overcomes these limitations. Traditionally described as a quick, non-contact method of heating metals and other electrically conductive materials, induction heating utilizes the unique properties of radio frequency energy, the area of the spectrum below infrared and microwave. In a typical induction system, an RF power supply sends an alternating current through a copper coil, generating a magnetic field. When a part is placed in the coil, circulating eddy currents induced within the part flow against the electrical resistivity of the material and generate heat. Although induction is based on well-known principles, it is continually being rediscovered because of its unique advantages. First and foremost, induction is fast. Temperatures above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit can be produced in less than a second. Induction is highly controllable and very selective. The exact amount of heat required can be delivered precisely when and where it's needed, without affecting surrounding areas. And modern induction technology delivers the same repeatable results, cycle after cycle, day after day. In view of today's skyrocketing utility costs and increasing environmental concerns, consider that an efficient induction system converts up to 90% of the energy expended into useful heat without loud noises, harmful emissions, or exhaust gases. Induction heating delivers improved part quality, increased consistency, and maximum productivity. That's the induction advantage. In the induction equation, the nature of what is being heated plays an important role. Different metals react in different ways to electrical current. Carbon, steel, tungsten, and tin have relatively high resistivity and heat more quickly than aluminum, brass, copper, and other low resistivity metals. Magnetic materials are easier to heat than non-magnetics, up to the point at which they lose their magnetic properties. The current flow within your part will be most intense on the surface, so the outside will heat more quickly than the inside. The operating frequency, the rate at which current alternates direction in the coil, also plays an important role. Higher frequencies work better for heating the outside surface. Lower frequencies provide more efficient through heating of the entire part. The size and shape of the induction coil depends on the nature of the part and in the number of turns needed to provide optimum current flow. What this all means is that no two induction applications are alike. Before our engineers suggest a solution for you, they'll consider the characteristics of your part as well as your cycle time and temperature requirements. And then they'll add one exclusive ingredient. As the solid-state induction experts, we've designed heating systems for parts of virtually every size and shape. We know what works, and we'll draw on that expertise to make sure that your system operates efficiently and economically. And that's the Ameritherm difference. In our applications lab, we've applied these established heating principles to both conventional metals and space-age composites for processes such as brazing, soldering, curing, heat treating, catheter tipping, heat staking metal to plastic, sealing glass to metal, melting, and many other applications. Now, working with our strategic partner Codeco, we can offer solutions for heating non-metallic materials such as polypropylene, polyethylene, and paperboard. We are constantly evaluating and developing new uses for our technology, and we invite you to send us samples of your parts for a free evaluation and system recommendation. Ameritherm is located in Scottsville, just outside of Rochester in upstate New York. Since our privately held company was founded in 1986, we have grown into a thriving ISO 9001 quality certified solutions provider with installations in over 30 countries worldwide. From electrical engineering excellence to master coppersmithing and custom coil fabrication, our staff has the knowledge and experience to support your heating process. Ameritherm RF power supplies offer output power from 30 watts to 150 kilowatts at frequencies of 5 kilohertz to 60 megahertz. For maximum flexibility, each unit is equipped with a remote heat station, which may be located up to 200 feet from the main power supply. These fifth-generation products provide unsurpassed reliability with 100% solid-state design, maximized repeatability, and easy integration into manufacturing control. If your parts are small, our cost-effective hotshot provides flexibility and ease of use for both novice and experienced operators. These compact units deliver up to 2 kilowatts of power from 150 to 400 kilohertz. For mid-size parts, our state-of-the-art NovaStar power supplies cover the 2 to 20 kilowatt range, with operating frequencies from 50 kilohertz to 1 megahertz. NovaStar microprocessor controls provide instantaneous response, even for applications which require several short bursts of heat in less than 1 second. For large-size parts, consider the rugged L series, with output up to 150 kilowatts at 5 to 150 kilohertz. And finally, micro-precision heating. Our M-series models handle parts as small as 25 microns in diameter at 13.56, 27.12, or 60 megahertz, with up to 4 kilowatts output. So whether your concern is lean manufacturing, improved part quality, automated process control, or increased productivity, consider a solid-state induction heating solution from Ameritherm. For metals or non-metals, for large parts or small, every day we help customers reinvent the way they do business with creative solutions to the most challenging heating problems. Now, what's your application?